I've started a new project. This has been around a while, but one of my faves. This is the drawing of the pendant that I'm working on right now. It's going to have this all in sterling, but then it's going to have a lot of other things built up on it, like around in here and here and here. This actual part right here will be sterling, and then there'll be another layer above this, so more petals that will be copper, and I will be coloring it with Prismacolor pencils. I'll have chain, and I probably will be making my chain for this as well because I want a particular shape. Either I'll use existing chain and shape it myself, or I will make the chain. Not decided on that yet. The next thing I do is I start messing around with color, and I kind of obsessed about this one bead I want to use. They're just amazing. They have all these peacock colors in them and texture. So that'll be this one, and it'll be made out of beads. The one that I'm constructing is sterling in the back, so that'll be this part, and then it will have another layer made out of copper. That is part of what I'm engineering as I go to get that all to fit together and stay together. You can kind of see the little tabs that are raised up here and cut out. Those will fold over the copper portion. But the copper portion I will be coloring with colored pencils, with Prismacolor pencils. And this is what I've done here. That's how I've gotten all that color onto this metal, because this is copper as well. To be able to make this and have a pattern, I went to my computer and I drew the pendant in the computer, and then all I do is cut it out, glue it onto my metal, and I saw all that out and make that shape. Of course, I had it for the copper portion as well. And I found this picture the other day that has inspired me as far as color, and this is the ocean right at sunset. I found that bead, that's inspired me, those colors, and that's where I'm sticking to as far as my palette.